Welcome to my course on Microsoft Teams. It's a long-awaited course and various people have been after me to create this for quite a while. And so here it is. So I am thrilled that you've chosen to join me here in my Microsoft Teams course, and we're going to run the full gamut of the program as an end user. I am going to cover things like the Teams interface, how to get to chat, how to see activity, creating and joining a team, whether you're a member of the organization or a guest user, for instance. We'll look at creating and hosting meetings and how you manage those meetings and share your content. And we'll look at chatting with other people, calling other people, and also accessing your files. So it's a jam-packed course. At the moment, I have over 70 lessons listed, and I'm sure that that will change as I go through the recording. Now, I record these sessions, obviously, and today is a cold, chilly day, and I'm wearing winter clothes, but it doesn't happen overnight. It may take a few days and the weather can change. So if I look different in some of the other videos, it's because I'm dressing appropriately for the weather. I hope to get this all finished very soon, and I'll see you in the first lesson.